Morning, everyone. Hope everyone's good. So today is going to just be, I'm going to do a warm up and then it'll be a little bit of cardio, so change it up a bit. So mainly cardio and then a little bit of core work. And then we'll swap to Alfie, who's going to do upper body. It's going to work, so it's going to be 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off like normal, but we're going to do 2 exercises in each 40 seconds, so 20-20. So I am going to be going through it a bit quickly, but obviously during the workout, you can just do your whatever pace you feel comfortable with. Yep. Can you all hear me? Yeah. Okay. Right, so if we start with a little jog, just to warm up. And then we're just going to do a little side and touch the floor. Little shuffle. And back into a jog. And another little shuffle again, touch the floor. And back into a jog. Then we're going to touch the floor with both hands, jumping up. Back into a little jog. And again, touch the floor, jumping up. And back into a little jog. Then a little sprint on the spot. And back into a little jog. And another little sprint again. And back into a jog. Then we're going to twist the body. And back into a little jog. And twist the body again. And back into a little jog. Then arms out and little circles round. And the other way. And then big circles. And the other way. Then stop. And we're just going to bring our arm across. And change to the other side. And we're just going to reach to the air. And bring it right round. And the other way back round. And just bring your leg down, pushing your bum in the air. And swapping sides. And up one. And changing sides. Then feet wide apart. And just reach down to the floor as far as you can go. And in a little bit, reach down again. And into it close together. Right, guys, grab a drink and then we'll get going. So the first 2 exercises are going to be 20 seconds high knees and then 20 seconds of back kick. Ready? And let's go. So 20 seconds high knees. Nice, guys. It's warm this morning. Keep going. And into the kicking and behind. Nice, guys, keep working. You've got 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Stop. 20 seconds rest. So the next one's going to be a little burpee out. Bringing up. Bringing your leg in and up. Changing arms. And second exercise is jumping jacks. Going in 3, 2, 1. So we're jumping out. Bringing one arm up. Jumping in and up. Jumping out. Bringing one up. Jumping in and up. And into jumping jacks. Nice, guys, keep working. Stopping in 3, 2, 1. Nice, guys. So next one is going to be flutter kicks. So you're holding your core and kicking your legs out. And then you're going to put your arms up. And that one for the second one. Or you can put your legs on the ground and you clap in between legs. Going in 3, 2, 1. So first one, flutter kick. Kick your legs as fast as possible. I'm dead in the sun here. Changing in 3, 2, 1. So legs out, clap in between. Nice, guys, keep working. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. All done, guys. Ready? So the next 2 exercises is going to be mountain climbs. So knees to chest. That's the first one. And then second one, you're just jumping in and out. So you can either go quick or you can go a bit slower. Ready? Going in 3, 2, 1. So mountain climb for 20 seconds. Nice, guys, keep working. Changing in 3, 2, 1. So you're going to jump in and out. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Nice, guys. So next one is going to be a jump squat. Jab, jab. And then the second exercise is jump lunges. Ready? Going in 3, 2, 1. So we're squatting down, jab, jab, jumping up. Nice, guys, keep working. Changing in 3, 2, 1, into jump lunges. Working, guys, well done. Got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Grab a quick drink if you need. Then the next one is going to be skaters. So we're going to go to the side like this. And then my favourite one, squat, twist, twist, squat. All good? Thumbs up if you're all good. Right, let's go. So skating to the side as fast as you want to go. Changing in 3, 2, 1. So it's a squat, twist, twist, squat. Keep working, guys, nearly there. 3, 2, 1. Right, so next exercise is just to crunch halfway up. And then the second one is the Russian twist, leaning as far back as you can. Ready? Going in 3, 2, 1. So just to crunch up, hold your core tight. Keep working, guys. Love it. Changing in 3, 2, 1. Into Russian twist. Love it, guys. Keep working. Twist across your body to the other side. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Love it, guys. So next exercise is just going to be jumping straight up. So you can either go quick or you can just go a bit slower. And the second exercise, you're going to be jumping to the floor touch, going as fast as you can. Ready? Let's go. So we're jumping up. Keep working, guys. 3, 2, 1. So next one, floor touch as quick as you can. Nearly there. 3, 2, 1. Nice, guys. Grab a drink if you need to. So next one is squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick. And then it's run 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, squat. Ready? Let's go. Squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick. Nice work, guys. Keep going. Changing in 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, squat. 2, 3, 4, squat. Keep working, guys. Nearly there. We've got 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work, guys. Smashing it. The next one, you're going to bring up and hold. Up and hold. Then the second one, bring it out. In, out, in. Ready? Let's go, guys. Keep working. So up and hold. Keep working, guys. I am right in the sun, so I'm sweating. Keep pushing. Changing in 3, 2, 1. So in to the right, in to the left. Hold your core tight. Nearly there, guys. Got 10 seconds left. Keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. Nice work, guys. A drink if you need to, quick. Right, so next one is just a sprint on the spot. And then the second one is as if you've got a skipping rope onto each leg, as quick as you want. Ready? Bang in 3, 2, 1. So sprinting on the spot. Get as fast as you can, guys. Keep pushing. Keep working. Changing in 3, 2, 1. Into the skip to the side. As quick as you want. Nearly there, guys. 2 more rounds. Keep pushing. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Nice work, guys. So next one is going to be jumping to each side as fast as you want. And then we're going to climb the mountain. All good? Thumbs up? All good? Yeah? Let's go. So we're going to jump to the side. As fast as you can. Keep pushing, guys. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Let's climb the mountain, guys. Nearly there. We've got one more exercise after this. Keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. Nice, guys. So we're just going to finish my section with 1 minute straight. So we're going to do 4 runs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And jump squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of each. Keep going for 1 minute. Going in 5 seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump lunge. 1. Jump squat, sorry. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, guys. Have a little break. Get a drink. I definitely need a drink.
Well done, Hull. Smash that. Right, can everyone see me, yeah? Right, sweet. So we'll have another 30 seconds break, get some fluid on board. Right, so we're going to do a bit of upper bodies, right? So it's going to be 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, okay? So a little bit similar to Holly's, but we're going flat out, okay? So the first one's going to be normal press up. So you're going to be just pressing up. If you can't do that, go on your knees and press up, okay? Give you another 10 seconds. Right, let's get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So normal press ups. Well done. Keep going. Good work. Halfway through already. Keep going. Well done. Keep pushing. Last 15 seconds. Last 10. Last 3, 2, 1. Have a break. Stretch out your arms. we're going to be getting into a shoulder press or a pike press up, okay? So you're down, bum up in the air, press down, push up, okay? Get going in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So you press up, bum in the air, feet apart. That's it, well done. Good work, keep going. Halfway through already, keep pushing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch off your arms again. Next one, so we're going to be on our belly. So we're going to be out into a Y, so arms out in front of us, into a T, into a W, and then lift your arms up, okay? So it's going to be out in front of you, out wide, into a W, and then you lift your arms up so it's an L, okay? Get going in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So out in front of you, to your sides, up into a W, up. Y, T, W, L, okay? Should feel the burn in your shoulders. Good work, keep going. Love it, keep going. Your last 10 seconds. Last 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Have a quick break, grab a drink. Your next one's going to be Spider-Man push-ups, okay? So, similar to your push-ups, but you lift your knee in, okay? You've got another 5 seconds. Get going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So you lift your knee up to your elbow. That's it, well done. Back a little bit. If you're struggling, just hold your arms up, bring your knee to your elbow, okay? Your last 10 seconds. Last 3, 2, and 1. Stretch off your arms again. So this time we're going to be cherry picking above our heads. Walk out, walk back in, and then cherry pick above our heads again, okay? Let's get going in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So you walk out, don't push up, walk back in, cherry pick, okay? Last 3, 2, and 1. Grab a quick drink, get some fluid on board again. We're going to be getting into one-handed, so you lift your hands up after a press up. So you go press up, one arm out, press up, one arm out, okay? Give you another 5 seconds. Get going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So you're into a press up, one arm out, press up, one arm out. If you're struggling, just keep yourself up. Go one arm out, okay? You're over halfway through, keep going. Last 3, 2, 1. Stretch your arms out. Now we're going to get into some shoulder taps, okay? Grab a quick drink. So we're in shoulder tap, okay? So you're just shoulder tapping, okay? Let's get going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shoulder tap, shoulder tap. Just keep yourself up. Right. Well done, good work. We're stretch off your arms again. Right, this time we're into close grip push-ups, okay? So your hands are in, narrow shoulder width apart, down, up, okay? If you're struggling, go on your knees again, and you're narrow, okay? So shoulder width apart. Get going in another 5 seconds. Last 3 exercises, okay? So let's get going. 3, 2, 1, close grip push-ups, okay? If you're struggling, hold yourself up a little bit, get your breath back, and then get going again. Last 10 seconds. Last 3, 2, 1. Stretch your arms out. So we're going to be into reverse nine angel. So similar to what we've done with the YTWLs, but your hands are out and then back, okay? So they're out and then back, so your palms are against the floor. Have another 5 seconds. Get going. 3, 2, 1. Out. And you're over halfway through. Keep pushing, keep working. Last 3, 2, and 1. Stretch out your arms again. Up and over if you need to. And then we're into our last one, okay? So we're walking out, press up, walk back, okay? We've got another 5 seconds. Get going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Walk out, press up, walk back. If you can't do the press up, just walk out and walk back. Keep working, last 10 seconds. Let's get the last one in. This will be our last one. Down, up, and walk back. Well done, guys. Give you a 1 minute break. Get some water on board, and then we're going to have a long stretch out, okay?